What's going on YouTube? It's your legend over here. Face mask. Put it on. Over your ears. And there. Face mask is ready and go. One side off. Yes, pen. Yes, pen. And now, drink Diet Strawberry Coke. Happy Halloween, pumpkin. Yes, pumpkin project. Let's get this day started. Facet friends and Halloween room. Here's my drawing on the wall near me about the Wendy art room class. Pumpkinhead is a legend. Here's Jordan Campion drinking. Yes, pardon me. Ryan, the burper. Pig. Yes, pardon me. Jinx, a free bird. Emma Granby and Jane in the background. Tammy and Thomas. Jingle, jingle. Happy Facet, everybody. This is what you call 2 meters away. Me and John Campion and Ryan, Thomas, Tam and Jane, 2 meters. Hello. I am a YouTuber to my Facet friends, Staff and Chris Harold Boss. Well done, YouTubers. Campioni. Yes, pardon me. Yes, pardon me. Let's get the Wednesday started and done. Happy? Yes, pardon me. What? Pardon? Yes, Ryan, the talker, to the footballers and burpers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 students and 1 staff. Jordan Pryor at home in bed, snoring. Best friends forever. And Jane, the feeder. And I'll see you in the next one.